Understanding raft maintenance, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase raft maintenance. This phrase might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and learn something new together. Raft maintenance is a two-word phrase. Let's break it down. Raft. A raft is a type of boat, often made of wood or other buoyant materials. It's used for transportation over water. Maintenance. This refers to the act of keeping something in good condition by checking or repairing it regularly. When we combine these words, raft maintenance involves activities or actions taken to keep a raft in good, functional condition. Maintaining a raft is crucial, especially if it's used frequently or kept in harsh conditions. Regular maintenance ensures safety. A well-maintained raft is safe to use. It reduces the risk of accidents. Longevity. Regular upkeep can significantly extend the life of a raft. Performance. A well-maintained raft performs better, providing a smoother and more reliable experience on the water. Here are some common practices involved in raft maintenance. 1. Cleaning. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of algae and other substances. 2. Inspection. Checking for leaks, wear, or damage is crucial. Early detection of issues can prevent larger problems. 3. Repair. Promptly repairing any identified damage, like patching holes or fixing broken parts, is essential. 4. Storage. Properly storing the raft, away from direct sunlight and in a dry place, protects it from environmental damage. And that wraps up our journey into understanding raft maintenance. Remember, regular maintenance is key to ensuring the safety, longevity, and performance of a raft. We hope you found this video informative and engaging. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy learning.